In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to view your schedule, create appointments and meetings, set reminders, color code your events, and quickly make edits so your calendar always stays up to date. Start by signing in to your Outlook account. Once you're in, if you see an Outlook tile or button labeled with the letters O and T, click it to open Outlook. From there, open your calendar by selecting the calendar icon in the navigation pane, usually near the top left. This switches you from mail to your schedule. Before adding anything, pick the view that makes sense for your day. You can switch between day, work week, or month. Day and work week are great for detailed planning. Week gives you a full 7-day overview, and month is perfect for long-range planning. You can always change this later. To move around your calendar, use the left and right arrows to go forward or back in time. If you ever get lost, click the Today button to jump straight back to the current date. When you're ready to add something, you have a couple of options. You can click directly on a time slot to start an appointment, or choose New Appointment or Meeting if you prefer that flow. You can also click New Event to open a full event window. In the details, add a clear subject, a location if needed, start and end times, and a helpful description. Keep the subject concise so it's easy to scan, and put the agenda, notes, or links in the description for context. If it's a meeting, use Invite Attendees to add people. Outlook can help identify times when everyone is free, so you spend less time going back and forth. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close for personal appointments, or Send to dispatch meeting invites. To stay on top of your schedule, set a reminder from the Reminder drop-down on the event. A common choice is 15 minutes before, but pick whatever gives you enough time to prepare. For visual organization, right-click an event, choose Categorize, and select a color. You can rename categories to match projects, teams, or priorities, which makes your calendar easier to read at a glance. If you need to change anything later, open the event by double-clicking it, or select it and click Edit, often shown as a pencil icon. Update the details, adjust attendees or times, and save the changes, or send updates if it's a meeting. That's it. Your Outlook calendar basics, from viewing and navigating to creating, organizing, and editing with confidence.